Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing purposefully. Clear a small zone and agree on boundaries so search areas stay fair. Once done, pick turn order and set a 60 to 90-second timer to keep pace and tension. Now hide tokens or cards quickly. Make placements visible or concealed per chosen difficulty. You ask for a quick confirmation from all players. This prevents disputes. This rapid first step starts the game immediately and keeps focus on fast spotting rather than long setup. Now you execute a systematic search. Scan the whole area fast to build a mental map, then zero in on likely clusters. Make short, decisive movements so you don't miss subtle cues. Once you spot something, call it out and verify the item visibly to claim it. If you find nothing, shift pattern, check low to high, left to right. You should also introduce decoys to challenge opponents. This keeps games fresh and trains better visual discrimination. Finish by clearly confirming the winning find and awarding the point so everyone accepts the outcome. Update your scoreboard before the next round. Once done, reset items or raise difficulty by adding decoys or reducing timer length to keep momentum. If a dispute arises, stop the timer and recheck boundaries and the hiding spot together. This resolves problems fast and keeps play fair. You'll find quick, consistent rulings, prevent arguments, and help games run smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.